Welcome all for the engineering application. Myself, Engineer G. Pradesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. Today, we are going to see about the topic projection of solids, Unit 3. The question is, does the projection of the cone of base diameter 50 mm, axis length 70 mm, when it lies on HP on one of its generator with the axis parallel to VP. So the question is given as a cone of base diameter 50 mm. The diameter given as 50 mm for the cone and the length of the axis is 70 mm. The resting position which is given as it lies on HP on one of its generators with the axis parallel to VP. Okay. First of all, we have to draw the initial position, that is the cone base diameter is resting on HP with its axis parallel to VP. So the first position we are going to draw. Then only we are converted position into the inclined, that is the generator lies on HP. So first of all, we have to draw the top view of the cone. You can see the circle on top view of 50 mm diameter. Circle of 50 mm diameter. In compass, we have to take the radius of 25 mm and draw a circle of diameter 50 mm. Once we draw the circle, means we have to divide it into the circle as 4 or 8 or 12. Here I am going to divide this into 8. You all know how to divide the circle into 8 parts. Name these points as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. And the center point is O. It's the vertex point O. This is the top view of a cone which is resting on HP with its base. Then we are going to draw the front view. Divide this, extend these points, extend this into XY line because the base is resting on HP. Here the front view, we can see the triangular shape. The axis length given is 70 mm. So we have to draw the axis, the center line into 70 mm. And join all the points by using scale. The points we have to measure. We have to write is A dash, so is B dash in bracket H dash, and C dash in bracket G dash, and this one is D dash in bracket F dash, and the last point is E dash. And the vertex point is O dash. So we have to dot the visible cone, which is a triangular shape in the outside. And the cone surface is plane. Like this. Also in top view, so this is the basic position, the first position. The base is resting on HP. So the second inclined position which is given is it lies on HP on one of its generator with axis parallel to VP. Generator means this OA or OE, or any one generator is resting on the horizontal plane with its axis parallel to VP. So we are going to place this OE line or OA in this reference line. Okay, so first of all, we mark an even point in this XY line, that is E dash. Measure this E and O and cut an arc here. So the generator OE is lying on HP. This is the position they are given. For finishing this triangle, we have to measure E and A, O and A, and mark the point here. From O and A, cut an arc here. from E to A, measure here and cut an arc. Mm. So the intersecting point is A dash. Now completing the triangle, we have to join all the lines. Then we have to convert this BH and CGDF into this resting position. Measure from here and mark it here. Then join by using L lines. Mark the points B dash H dash C dash G dash and DF. So the final top view of the cone is we have to extend all the points to the top view. And extend the top view circle to this length. Now the intersecting points G, G and F, D, C, and B, A and H. And this one is O. Write the names that this one is G, F, E, D, C, B, A, and H. And this point is O. So from top view, we can see the full circle. So we have to draw the full circle by using pencil and by not using scale. By your free hand, you have to join this points. And simply join the outer edges with O. So simply join right. Simply join the outer edges of the outer edges to the lower part. That's the final answer for this. Okay. Thank you.